All right. Oh, this is good yield. Oh my God. Wow. Good yield for this year. Very nice guavas, and I'm going to make lovely guavas jam. Okay, enjoy. Thank you. Beautiful guavas. Very delicious, very sweet, and good to eat. Perfect. Oh my God, there are too many here. Too many, too many, too many, too many. It's quite a lot, quite a lot. Oh, there you are. Oh, there's one, there's one. Oh, very delicious. There you go. Very delicious. Right. That's great. Around hundreds on this tree, hundreds of guavas, but they are tasty. You see? Oh, the lovely color, beautiful texture, very tasty and sweet. Okay, this is grown only in Warner. Cheers, guys. And finally, the guava cheese is ready to be served. Delicious, tasty. Please just follow the recipe and you will see how delicious this can be. One of the best sweets I've ever tasted. Okay? Please follow the recipe and you can make your own guava cheese. Okay, thank you very much. There you go, she's all ready to be served. Beautiful guava cheese, beautifully made with lovely ghee, pure, fresh guavas from the garden, and beautiful and tasty.